The Improving Innovation Capacities in the Caribbean, or InvoCab project, is designed to address the need for improved teaching and learning technologies, particularly in the sciences. We all know this. To this effect, the project targets students and teachers at the grades 4 to 6 and grades 9 to 11 here in Jamaica, as well as Trinidad and Tobago. Since the project's inception, 16 schools have been actively engaged in teacher observation visits, professional development workshops. All of these activities are designed to ensure that well-needed help is given in all spheres, that is, to the teachers, the students, and to the school via infrastructure. From an educational standpoint, the major objective of the InvoCab project is to realize at least a 10% improvement in the external examination results of the participating schools.
8 schools who will be benefiting from this venture, and they'll receive things such as microscope. They'll also receive measuring instruments, chemical reagents, glassware, charts, etc. And this, of course, will help them to explore science in a practical way.
Each school will receive boxes of equipment appropriate for their age level for you to use in your classrooms and in your laboratories. This equipment has been purchased for you to make your job easier and to make teaching and learning a fun activity. Just to give you an idea of how much money has been spent on this equipment, approximately $8,000 was spent purchasing equipment.
I'm very grateful that the EU has provided this and continues to provide this technical assistance. And to the schools who are the beneficiaries, you've already heard how important it is to take advantage of the equipment that you're being provided with. But to ensure that the students are exposed to it and that you provide them with the scope of options that they can pursue in careers in science and technology. The only way we will grow as a country is by coming up with new innovations. Applying it can be in agriculture, it can be in tourism, it can be in many other areas.
This project, InvoCab, funded by the EU, will go beyond delivering well-needed equipment to science labs. It will place great emphasis in improving the competencies of teachers in the transfer of knowledge to their students. It will also focus on developing material, training, and establishing clubs which will work simultaneously to improve the students' capacity to understand science. Also, something paramount for human behavior and social development, they will learn to apply critical thinking and problem solving beyond the specific field of their study.
We want to stimulate more interest in the science subjects because those are the subjects that will actually uncover the innovations, will come up with new ideas that can translate into products and services which can grow us out of the economic challenges that we have. As a ministry, we have done work in encouraging those in the technology area to build applications, to build solutions. We have something called Startup Jamaica, which provides the incubation and the mentorship and the support. We have to do the same in science as well. All these ideas that you come up with must have a practical application. They must solve a problem.
It is important that you recognize that we at SRC, as well as European Union, we believe in you, our children. We want to ensure that you get the necessary exposure to science and technology and use it to your own benefit. This is your chance to make history. This is your chance to be different. Don't take it lightly. Look at it as an opportunity that you're getting to use this simple equipment to come with something that somebody never thought about, some perfume, something, but make your mark with this equipment that is given by the SRC as well as through the European Union.